Hi, Koopa. Yoshi, what do you want? You still owe me that pizza, remember? You really still on about that? Even though it's been, we're coming up on a year since that? Yes, I still want that pizza. Dude, are you really that desperate? I mean, it's a pizza. So, I mean, like... What are you guys talking about? And what is a pizza? Dry bones when you do get here. Like, I've been here, like, the whole time. Ow. But wait, you don't know what a pizza is? No clue. Please enlighten me. I'm gonna go get you a pizza right now. Wait, what? Come on, let's go. Wait, no! Alright. Welcome back to Plush Elimination. Why did you knock me over? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, we're on to episode 7 now. Let's just do the same old, right to elimination time. Team 333 lost again. They are a huge disappointment to this series. So, yeah, time to go back. Time for their third disappointment time. It's disappointment time! So yeah, let's begin. So yeah. I can't believe we've been up for elimination, 3 times in 6 challenges? Yeah, we really need to step up our game here. Especially that we're going to have so few members now compared to other teams. Are going to be at a large disadvantage. We'll stop complaining and actually do good in challenges. Anyway, let's start off with... Yeah, let's just start off with elimination. So this time, no one got no votes again, which is interesting. That we've been having less people getting no votes, which means more people voting, which is good. So yeah, let's start off with people who got 1 vote. Nigel got 1 vote. Phew. Same with Diddy and Junior. Yes. Yay. And the last person to get 1 vote was Snoopy. Now let's go on to the people with 2 votes. People with 2 votes are Noble, Luke, and December. Why do my votes keep going up and down? I have no idea, but just be glad you're safe, because this team has barely no members left compared to other ones. You guys are complaining too much. You guys should actually, like, trying challenges. It's down to Pink Yoshi, who's, Pink Yoshi. Well, according to my calculations, my chance of surviving this elimination... Shut up! And Woody, who is just Woody. So, the last person safe is... Pink Yoshi, you have 3 votes. Just as I calculated. Woody, I'm sorry to say this, but you've been eliminated with 6 votes, which ties Monokuma's record for 6 votes. So yeah, there's a first place tie for most votes in a single elimination. Well, what? Yeah. Get in. Okay. Get in there. Get in there. Wait, you can't even... I'll make you fit. There. Any final words, Woody? I don't know what means, but okay. With elimination done, it's time for everyone to get into their teams, and so we can start the next challenge. So yeah, everyone do that. Alright, now that everyone's in their teams, I can announce the next challenge. Wait a minute. This carpet seems new. Yeah, we got a new carpet because our show budget increased. Does that mean that we'll have better challenges? No. Anyway, today's challenge is going to be basically like Angry Birds. So basically, each team will have to create a structure that, can support itself. And then we'll have an Angry Bird, throw themselves and try to knock down your construction and stuff. And basically, whichever team has the worst construction loses. And yes, the Angry Bird will be rating your buildings and stuff.
Who's gonna be the angry bird?
The angry bird is Axew. That's a Pokemon. Wait, Axew's a Pokemon? Yeah, I'm a Pokemon. Oh. Well, I guess a Pokemon will be rating your scores. Things, I guess. That makes no sense, but okay. Also, Team 333, you guys are the smallest team, and it's making me kind of sad that you guys are doing so bad. So, I have a challenge for you guys. If you guys can win 3 challenges in a row, you guys will get a special prize. What's the prize? I'm not going to tell you because because it's going to be a surprise. Duh. Okay. So yeah, if you guys win 3 challenges, you'll get a gift, and it's going to be surprised what it is. So you guys have a you better get if I see you up for elimination again, I'm going to be disappointed. Anyway, let's just begin the challenge. Wait a second. What do we build with? Literally anything. I don't care what you build with. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1, go build or whatever.
Among Us.
All right. What are we gonna build with? We should build with those Legos again. We already used those Legos, and plus I highly doubt Monty would allow us to do it, even if we could even find them again.
Give me a second, I can find some Legos or blocks.
Alright, so what shall we build with? Monkey likes the ideas of building with bananas. How would bananas even work? I feel like that would fall over easily. Bananas are cool, so I think bananas would work. Maybe we should come up with a quick plan, a quick strategy for this. We don't want to, possibly lose because we come up with something stupid. Whatever Wario says, I like it. Of course you will.
We should build an Xbox.
Wario, you realize this isn't just build whatever we want. We have to build a building or building with certain things so we can, make it stable and stuff. You realize we can't just build whatever we want. Ah, my God, you won't understand even how much I tell you.
You're talking nonsense.
Well, I mean, it's worth a shot. Who knows? Maybe the guy rating our buildings might be stupid. Wario, I think the Xbox is a perfect idea. Alright, guys. I'm feeling motivated after what Monty said. She's telling the truth. So yeah, we cannot lose again. We cannot afford to lose any of other members. I agree. What should we use to build? We have to come up with something easy to build. I'm not really an engineer, so I wouldn't know. Yeah, this challenge is already making me a bit confused. Oh, I got an idea. Hey Snoopy, I know you're pretty smart. Can you go get some building materials for us? Wait, really? Yeah, he's pretty smart. I mean, I haven't really talked to him, but since he can't really talk, but we've had some time to chill out together. All right.
I mean, I got this brick, but yeah, it's only one.
Do we know where any others are?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. I mean, we could just go there and get more.
Okay.
I mean, if we already know where a location is for building blocks and stuff and building materials, then yeah, go for it. That'll probably be our best option.
So who wants to go with me?
Well, obviously I'll come with. Yeah, same.
Okay.
So yeah, let's go.
Plants, am I right?
Yeah.
Nice entrance, I guess.
Ooh, blocks! I am not sure if we're gonna be able to build much of these. I think our best idea here is to probably make something sturdy. If most of our rankings based off how stable our building is, then if we just make something stable, then we should get a pretty high rating.
Good idea.
Yeah, I think that'll work.
I mean, I have some electronics we can use for the Xbox.
Yeah, sure, that'll work.
Well then, go get them!
I'm starting to question if Wario is even sane. Bored. Well, I mean, there's nothing we can really do. If Snoopy's getting all the stuff for us, we just kind of have to wait. Yeah, it doesn't usually take him this long to get things. I'm starting to wonder if he ran into some trouble. Yeah, same. Does someone want to maybe go find him, make sure he's okay? I mean, I'll go do it. Alright. Are the rest of those bricks around here, or what? Yeah, I'm starting to get tired of just walking.
Well, they're here. Here are the, jungle blocks.
I think it's pronounced Jenga, but okay. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's take these back to our team. Ooh, this looks pretty! Seems pretty sturdy to me. I think it'll do well.
So, this is one of my electronics. Yeah. Over, now we can build the Xbox line. What?
Can we add some bananas to it?
If it's garlic.
Monkey doesn't like garlic banana.
I'm just done.
Okay, I'm back. Is Snoopy fine? Oh yeah, he's fine. What is that thing? Oh, it's the thing he built. I think it looks pretty cool. I think we're definitely gonna win. Oh my. It's beautiful. Yeah, we're definitely gonna win.
Ladies and gents, I got the rest of the jungle blocks.
Alright, so what are we gonna build with these? How about just a standard Jenga tower? I don't think that will be a good idea. I mean, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna start building now. Okay, there we go.
Wait, I don't think we should be building such an unstable thing.
It's fun, it won't fall down. Like, look.
Hold on. Let me rebuild it real quickly. Time is up. You gotta be kidding me.
Behold it, it's the Xbox Live.
Alright, now that time's up, it's time for Axu to rate all of your buildings. First up, Team I Love This Show, which made this building. It's very stable. That's a solid 10 out of 10. Good job.
That isn't epic.
Hey, I mean, at least we got a really good score. This is Team Garlic's thing. It's just an Xbox. Huh. That was incredible. You guys are in first. I don't even know what score you got, but you guys are in first.
Say, I told you the Xbox was gonna walk.
Well, darn. I mean, if it worked, it works. Next is Among Us, who just has a tissue box. 7 out of 10. Next up is Team 333 that made this thing. I can't destroy it. It's too beautiful. It's too beautiful. I'm going on to the next team. Does that mean that we got a good score? I sure hope so. Next up and last is Team Everyone Else, which just made a Jenga tower. Huh. You guys suck! 0 out of 10. I'm done with this. I quit. Well, darn it. Of course. Hey, don't be too sad about it. I mean, this was kind of a quick challenge, so there's always next time. Yeah, I know. Just gotta still feel a bit about Peach, but gotta put that to the past now. Just gotta, yeah. So viewers, vote for as many contestants on Team Everyone Else that you do not like. Person who gets the most votes will be eliminated and leave the show. There's no big bow wow, but there's still a little bow wow.